Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have a massive mountain load of things to show you guys, and this is a collaboration video with Pandahall, and you guys are going to get to see what I have selected this time, and I am going to get really busy crafting with all of these. Before I go ahead and show you everything, I really want to emphasize that Pandahall packs everything so wonderfully. They make sure that everything is in Ziploc bags or it is like double wrapped in bubble wraps. It's just really wonderful. This time, all of my lot came in a really thick cardboard box as well. So I was so happy about that. Look, you guys, I honestly didn't think that I was getting this many, but look, I have this here, all of this to show you guys. So I'm gonna like move some off to the side so you guys can actually see what I have in front of me. But I am even thinking maybe I need to move some to my right side as well. Okay, so let me first show you this big roll here. You're probably wondering what this roll here is. If I show you the top, yep, can you see? This is a 3mm foam sheet, and it's got the yellow yellow sheet on it because this is adhesive. You guys, I have mentioned in my videos many times, I love making shakers with adhesive foam sheets, and I also use these to make words as well, dimensional shadow words and things, and I am constantly running low on foam. And Pandahall has amazing selection of foam, you guys. So this is just a little tiny bit of the things that I'm showing you, but I was so excited to find all of these different kind of foams. So there were so many choices and I had to just narrow it down, you guys. But I really want to show you. See? Can you see close? Yeah. And it's like a really dense foam sheet. So you guys are gonna see me use this real soon. I also have this mini. This is a really good size, so I don't have to keep cutting it down when I need to quickly take it to the die cutting machine. So it came in 2 different packs in a Ziploc bag. I took off the Ziploc bag to save time showing it to you guys. I have this bunch here. Now, each Ziploc bag came with 24 of these, and I believe this is a 2mm white foam, and this is double-sided adhesive. So this is going to be so handy for making shakers, you guys. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Okay, next, I also love making flowers, right? So I found this pack of vellum. I think this is vellum. So let me just grab it out of the plastic. It's a really nice quality. Can you see that, you guys? It's colored vellum sheets. And I have like several, actually, four sheets of red and 4 sheets of yellow. Look how vibrant the color is. I am going to have so much fun making flowers with these. And there's orange. So basically you get all of the rainbow colors included in this pack. And so I can use this for so many different themes. So we've got green, we've got the normal vellum sheet as well. You can see my hand through. It's a really good quality vellum sheets, you guys. Then I have black ones, so I can use this for Halloween flowers also. Then we have like a pearlescent one as well, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Pearlescent vellum, you guys. And then this one, oh my goodness. And then this is a shimmery gold, like pearlescent gold. And then we have this beautiful minty color. Can you see? Oh my goodness. I am so excited. And then we have the royal blue as well. So all of this in one pack. Oh my gosh. So happy about that. Then I also discovered, so if you've been following me, you guys know I love using iridescent thin paper and attaching it to the adhesive foam sheet to cut out my die cutting, do my die cutting with it, and it just produces amazing effect. And so I was running low on my iridescent colored sheets, and I came across this at Pandahall. And this is meant to be like a flower bouquet wrap paper. But look, you guys, can you see the texture on these? The lines throughout, and this like mermaidy color. Oh my gosh, if I back this onto black foam and do Halloween die cutting, I think that's going to be really amazing. And it is a really, really big sheet. So if I quickly open it up, you guys, look. And this is folded in half, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't even show it to you guys all on the screen. But I have this bunch load. Then I actually have 2 packs so I can share with my crafty friends here in Australia and some of the other friends overseas. And look, I'm just really set with those. Next, I'm going to show you this one. This one is a silicone focal bead, right? And it's in Halloween theme, of course, because that's what I'm into at the moment. And the quality of these silicone focal beads, look at that, you guys. How adorable is this? Perfect for your beadable items. I will be making beadable pens with these and probably keychains and all sorts. And then I also have this one. So with this one, it says you get 20 pieces in here. Then you also get 20 pieces in this one here. And I don't have anything like this. So I found a spider web silicone focal bead. See the hole size? And it's got really nice clear prints. Really good size. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love those. Then I also discovered, so it comes in a box like this, all vacuum packed. And this one has all of these shimmery cloud beads. Look, you guys, all of these iridescent, shimmery, shiny clouds. Or you can use these as bubbles. Now, I believe I chose these not just for the clouds, but more for hocus pocus feel of like cauldron bubbling kind of thing. That's what I chose it for. But it's so pretty that I can use it throughout the year. So, so pretty. And look how much you get. Heaps. Okay. Then moving on is this packaging bag I found. And I thought it was going to be smaller as well, but it's actually really good size. Look at this. It's a really good size Happy Mail gifting bag. And it's a craft paper, right? Let me get it out. And not only that, you get included these, what do you call these? Glue dots. You get included glue dots. And the reason is you can decide to use the glue dots to add your ghostie onto the bag like this. I didn't even know that these were separate things. I am so excited that they are separate because I thought these were like printed on here. And I was like planning to make a journal out of these, not just for Happy Mail packaging. But you guys, listen to this. It's a really thick material, thick cardstock ghost. So I can now use vinyl or vellum even and stitch it to make a pocket. Oh my gosh. So I am so excited, you guys. So I have plenty to share with my friends. So it comes in a pack of 3. So I have a lot, you guys. Okay, so that is everything I have to show you from Pandahall. But I am pretty sure I have shared with you guys so many wonderful goodies. And I hope you guys have fun shopping at Pandahall. And when you do shop at Pandahall, don't forget to use my discount code to save money. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye for now.